Yeah, man. Welcome to the Handiemon. You got projects big or small? You give us a call. We do them all. So what we've got going on today is there's a really upscale community that has all wood shake roof. They needed their rain gutters cleaned. So we had to come up with a plan to be able to clean these rain gutters, but still not be able to disturb the roof. So came up with a plan of attaching 1.5 inch ABS pipe to the front of our leaf blowers with a P-trap hook on the end there so we could walk along the ground and actually get inside of the gutters and clean them out. As you can see here, it's attached to a steel backpack blower and it works pretty well. We're able to get up and get down and be able to do the rain gutters without too much interference there. You can see all the dust that's being blown here, blowing out the rain gutters, and these gutters were in really, really bad shape for a couple different reasons, but ultimately, rain gutters that have a wood shake roof, a lot of the wood shake will fall down and get in the gutter and clog it up. So that's what we were experiencing there. You can see here blowing out all the dust and dirt and debris. Worked really, really well with getting in there and getting all the cracks. And the best part about doing the system this way is the fact is it goes by pretty quickly as opposed to trying to shovel them out. And you couldn't even really shovel these out anyhow because the shake would hang over the gutter. So came up with this plan. As you can see here, it worked really, really well. Another thing with this community, there was a lot of leaves. You can see these trees here. So you had leaf debris, you had dust, you had dirt, and the wood shake falling down in the gutters and clogging the gutters. You can see that little tap there on the gutter to make sure it's clear and clean. And then down at the bottom too, as the air pressure would flow down, we'd get positive pressure down at the very bottom of the gutter showing that it's been clear. Little minor repair here along the way. Needed to use some duct tape to attach it back on again. And we're back on the race here. Very important here when you're cleaning gutters this way is you get into those corners. If you notice here, you'll be able to see a lot of leaves get blown out of these corners. And it likes to collect down in there, and that just causes more problems for you along the way. So make sure that you get those gutters nice and cleared out too. Doing a nice straight run. As you can see the dust there blowing out. A lot of dirt and debris in these gutters. A lot of times you'll find balls or kids' toys in these gutters. In this situation, we just found one ball. Alright, so blowing off the customer's driveway, blowing off their car. You can see that attachment that I've got on this blower here. That's what we use when we're walking on a regular a shingled roof, be able to walk along and blow the gutters out. Really, really dirty job on this one. You can see here, nice and clear. That was the same gutter from the very beginning. And that's what it looks like after we're done on the long runs. So, a lot of fun.